Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk through essential tips and techniques to elevate your academic writing. Whether you're beginning a literature review or preparing for this guide, brought to you by ManuscriptEdit, will help enhance your writing and organization.
Written by William Strunk Jr., The Elements of Style. A literature review is like a treasure map. It guides you through existing research on a topic. It helps you understand what is already known, and it points you towards areas that need further exploration. In the field of cancer treatment, staying updated on the latest research is critical. New discoveries are constantly being made. A well-structured literature review is essential for navigating this ever-evolving landscape.
Finding your focus. From broad topic to specific question. Start with a broad topic that interests you. This could be anything from climate change to artificial intelligence, or even cancer treatment. For example, you might be interested in cancer treatment. This is a vast field with numerous subtopics and areas of research. This is a good starting point, but it's still quite broad. You need to refine your focus to make your research more manageable and impactful. You'll need to narrow it down. Think about specific aspects or subfields that intrigue you the most. Consider focusing on a specific type of cancer, like lung cancer. This helps in making your research more targeted and relevant. Then, think about a specific treatment approach, like immunotherapy for lung cancer. This narrows your focus even further. Finally, formulate a clear research question. This question will guide your entire research process. For example, how effective is immunotherapy compared to chemotherapy in treating lung cancer? This question is specific and researchable. By narrowing your focus, you create a manageable scope for your literature review. This makes it easier to gather relevant information and analyze it effectively. This allows you to delve deeper into the specifics of your chosen area. A well-defined research question leads to more meaningful and impactful findings.
Building a strong foundation. Conducting background research. Once you have a research question, it's time to gather information. Begin by exploring reputable sources. Look for information in medical journals, academic databases, and government websites. These sources provide reliable and peer-reviewed research. Examples include PubMed, Google Scholar, and the National Institutes of Health, NIH website. As you search, keep track of key findings. Note the authors, publication dates, and main conclusions of each study. This information will be crucial when you begin summarizing and synthesizing the literature.
Mapping your journey. The importance of a detailed outline. Before you start writing, create a detailed outline. This is a crucial step that can save you time and effort in the long run. This will serve as the roadmap for your literature review. Start with an introduction. This section should provide a clear overview of your topic and set the stage for your research question. This should introduce your topic and research question. Make sure to capture the reader's interest and provide context for your study. Then, divide the body of your review into sections. Each section should address a different aspect of your topic, ensuring a comprehensive coverage. Each section should focus on a specific aspect of your topic. This helps in organizing your thoughts and presenting your research in a logical manner. For example, if you're reviewing immunotherapy for lung cancer, you might have sections on types of immunotherapy, effectiveness of immunotherapy, side effects of immunotherapy, and future directions in immunotherapy research. Each of these sections can be further divided into subsections for more detailed exploration. Within each section, you can then create subsections to explore specific studies or subtopics. This level of detail ensures that your literature review is thorough and well organized, making it easier for readers to follow your argument and understand your findings.
Summarizing your findings. Capturing the essence of each source. As you review each source, summarize the key findings in your own words. This helps you internalize the information and understand it better. Avoid simply copying and pasting information. This practice not only leads to plagiarism, but also prevents you from truly engaging with the material. Instead, try to synthesize the information. This means combining insights from various sources to form a cohesive understanding. Explain how each study relates to your research question. This connection is crucial for building a strong argument in your work. For example, you might write, a 2023 study by Smith et al. found that immunotherapy drug X significantly improved survival rates in patients with advanced lung cancer compared to standard chemotherapy. The study, which involved 500 participants, showed a 15% increase in 5-year survival rates in the immunotherapy group. This significant finding highlights the potential of immunotherapy in treating advanced stages of cancer. By summarizing each source concisely, you provide a clear and organized overview of the existing research. This not only aids in your understanding, but also helps others who may read your work to quickly grasp the key points.
Creating a seamless flow. The art of transition words. Transition words are essential for creating a smooth and logical flow between sections and paragraphs. They help the reader follow your train of thought and understand the connections between different ideas. Use transition words like furthermore to add information, however, to contrast ideas, therefore to indicate a conclusion, similarly, to show similarities, in contrast, to highlight differences. By using transition words effectively, you create a cohesive and reader-friendly literature review.
Polishing your work, editing for clarity and accuracy. Once you've finished writing, it's crucial to edit your work thoroughly. Read through your review carefully, paying attention to clarity, grammar, and punctuation. Ask yourself, is my writing clear and concise? Have I used correct grammar and punctuation? Are my ideas presented in a logical order? Have I avoided plagiarism? It can be helpful to have someone else read your work as well. A fresh pair of eyes can often catch errors that you may have missed.
Giving credit where credit is due. Citations and references. Whenever you use information from another source, it's essential to cite your sources properly. This gives credit to the original authors. It also helps you avoid plagiarism. There are several different citation styles, such as APA, MLA, and Chicago. Choose a style and use it consistently throughout your literature review. Include both in-text citations and a complete reference list at the end of your paper.
Conclusion. Your guide to a successful literature review. Writing a literature review is a journey of discovery. By following a structured approach, you can effectively navigate the vast sea of research and create a comprehensive overview of your chosen topic. Remember to start broad and narrow your focus, conduct thorough research, create a detailed outline, summarize sources concisely, and use transition words effectively. Don't be afraid to seek help from your professors, librarians, or writing center staff. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can produce a literature review that makes a valuable contribution to your field.